2-or. That means the hydroxyl group is on carbon 2. You are naming from this side. Then 2-methyl, that means the methyl group is also on carbon 2. Then since you have satisfied the constituents, then you can balance the other atoms that will be surrounding the carbon. So hydrogen will be here, 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 hydrogen will be here. So the tetravalency of carbon has been satisfied. So this compound is called 2-methyl butan 2-ol. Propan 1-ol. In the propan 1-ol is also an alcohol. And alcohol are characterized by OH group. So because of the prop, there must be 3 carbon atoms. And the ol is on carbon 1. You are naming from this extreme. Then you satisfy the tetravalency of carbon. 4 bonds must surround carbon as the chemistry of carbon. So in that situation, that means this is known as propan 1-ol. Questions that have been designed for the above topics are as follows. 1. Name COCl2.H2O. Question 2. The bond type in diatomic nitrogen gas is A. Double covalent, B. Triple covalent, C. Single covalent, D. Double ionic. Number 3. What is the bond type present in calcium chloride? Number 4. The bond between 2 iodine molecules is A. Coordinate covalent, B. Ionic bond, C. Hydrogen bond, D. Van der Waals forces. Question 1. Answers to question 1. Cobalt Cl2.H2O. Here, cobalt is having +2 charge. That means since you have 6 mole of water here and water is hydrate, automatically the name of this compound will be cobalt. 2. Chloride. Because of 6 water, it is hexahydrate. Hexahydrate. Question 2. The bond type in diatomic nitrogen gas is, when you say diatomic nitrogen gas, that means you have 2 nitrogen atoms. And I've stated earlier that because of the fact that nitrogen belongs to group 5, automatically 5 electrons must surround its atom. You have 1, 2, 3, I have lone pair. This one too has 1, 2, 3 lone pair. This one combines with this to form a bond. This one combines with this to form a bond. And this last one combines with this to form a bond. In that situation, there are 3 bonds surrounding nitrogen atoms. Automatically, that means you have triple bonds. But now, is it ionic bond or covalent bond? It's going to be a covalent bond because you have a share of the bonds. And the only bond that exhibits this scenario is covalent, where you have a share of a pair of electrons. So in this situation, because you're having 3 shared pair now, you say it is a triple covalent bond. So the answer is B. What is the bond type present in calcium chloride? Calcium chloride is a metal and a non-metal. It is stated earlier that ionic bond is a bond that involves a metal and a non-metal, where the metal transfer the electron while the non-metals accept the electron. So in this scenario, you have a metal and a non-metal. Calcium is a metal transferring the electron. Chlorine is a non-metal accepting the electron. So automatically, this type of bond is ionic bond. Number 4, the type of bond between 2 atoms of iodine molecule is iodine molecule exists like this. And I have established earlier that iodine, the bond that exists between iodine is van der Waals forces, because of the fact that the hydrogen and iodine here exhibits a weak bond. This bond is very weak. By subjecting this bond to heat, it will require a little heat to break these bonds, making it a weak bond. And the only weak bond that we have in these options is van der Waals forces. So the answer